What allows the red blood cell to hold on to oxygen?
Our red blood cells contain a protein called hemoglobin that binds to oxygen, allowing the cells to transport it throughout the body. So basically, this is the outside of the red blood cell, and then this is the inside of it, and then here's all the structures. This is an iron molecule. This is hemoglobin. Just gonna add some more. And then these are oxygen molecules. And this is a heme.
The next thing I will be explaining is antigens and their interaction with the immune cells. Antigens communicate with white blood cells, also known as immune cells, that protect against infection. Antigens serve as identifying markers, allowing the immune system to recognize your body's own cells without attacking them. So these are the antigens, and then you can label them A and B. And then this is your immune system, and the antigen is allowing it to connect. The next thing I will be explaining is antigens and their interaction with the immune cells. The two main kinds of antigens, A and B, determine your blood type. The antigens are coded for by 3 different alleles, varieties of a particular gene. While the A and B alleles code for A and B antigens, the O allele codes for neither. And because we inherit one kind of each gene from each parent, every individual has 2 alleles determining blood type. When these happen to be different, one overrides the other. So this is the A, this is B, and then this is O. So one is getting coded. Let's just say it's like, just pretend it's like someone coding into a computer. This one gets coded as well. Another person coding into a computer. But then the O doesn't get coded at all, so it's like this one person doesn't have to do any work. So he's kind of just like happy about that. So this computer. Another thing I wanted to explain is alleles are sections of DNA, also known as genes. These genes are the code of instructions for how to build antigens. When the allele does not code for either an A antigen or B antigen, the person does not make an antigen and will have O blood type, no antigens present. Also, in genetics, everyone is given 2 alleles, one from mom and one from dad, and the alleles will determine your blood type. Adding on to what I previously just read, everyone has 2 alleles, one that comes from their mother's side and then one that comes from their father's side. So when 2 parents have a child, and this chart basically explains how the 2 blood types that the father and mother have will basically correspond to, this chart explains how those 2 blood types will correspond to the blood type the child will receive.